evening and welcome to the Linhart Family Kitchen. We would like to invite you to come on in and get started cooking with us. We are going to make a skinny mac and cheese, a healthier alternative to regular mac and cheese. Our family seems to enjoy it and our friends seem to enjoy it. I have with me my daughter Elena, and she is the hostess with the mostest for today. I'd like for you to come on over here. Elena is using our food chopper to chop up some cauliflower that we're going to be using in our dish. We have already tore off the peelings and decored the cauliflower. That's fine. Go ahead and slide that over.
It's going to take me a long time.
We're going to let her continue to chop. A prized possession. That is the RockCok. Elena's using our flexible cutting mat to add all of that cauliflower that she chopped up. We love our flexible cutting mats. And we love the RockCok. The RockCok is like our stoneware plus cookingware fused together because you can cook it on the stove. You can cook it on the grill, you can cook it in the oven, and you can cook it in the microwave. You can put it in the dishwasher.
And 2 cups of macaroni. And what I love, I'm getting me some of these silicone cups because a lot of stuff calls for 2 cups. And I just fill it up and I already know I got 2 cups.
Very
so
good.
There we go. That's in there.
And then Elena is going to get the classic batter bowl. That glass dish. And Bernie, can you help her with the measuring cup and a measuring spoon that moves, and make sure that you get a tablespoon of flour. You need 2 tablespoons of flour.
And like I said, I love these spoons.
Adjustable.
And you don't have to go through a whole bunch looking in your drawer for a whole bunch.
Okay, and we want to put it in the glass bowl.
2 of them.
2 of them. Then we're going to get our special measuring cup that holds liquid on one side and dry ingredients on the other side. And we're going to take that low-fat milk, because this is skinny mac and cheese, and we're going to make 1/3 of a cup.
Now this, I don't know.
It's already set for you. You just have to make that to 1/3 of a cup. Just pour it right down in there.
All right. So I'll hold it and then you. There you go.
Very nice. Next, we're going to add 1.5 cups of chicken stock. So we can use that can of chicken broth right there, be fine. 1.5 cups. Very good. We love our stainless steel whisks. We have a couple different sizes. This is our regular whisk. Go ahead and whisk that together.
Take my aggression out.
That's right. And then since she whisks, Elena, would you dump it right directly on top of our noodles in our RockCok?
Just like directly.
Just directly in there. And then we're going to put the lid on that. And it's right there, the little lid. And it just sits on top. I'm not sure that that is the correct lid.
Probably not. Sounds like my house.
Because this RockCok is a few years old. And I misplaced things. So we are going to do 17 minutes. Very good. Next, we're going to shred some cheese. Go ahead. In our grater. This is our coarse grater. We do have a few different sizes. Elena's doing a nice job with that one. Continue to shred. All you have to do, if you want to, you can shred it down this way, and we'll try that with another piece of cheese. Let's see how much you got in there. Okay. And there, they do have, it does have a plunger. Watch this. That makes it neat. And I wanted to get another top. So you load the cheese by using your prongs and in holding your food storage cube. And then you put it inside that. And then all you do is go up and down. And this one's going to be a little bit more difficult because it's a finer slicer.
Oh my.
Yes, it really is a fine slice.
I think I'm doing this right.
Sure you are. That's right. No, you don't have to push your button. So which way is easier? Do you like this down like this? Or do you like holding it the other way? This way? So what you do is you push both fingers, and then you have to pull over in one direction or the other. There we are, to get it back up. And if Juliana can get a picture of that fine cheese and the coarse cheese, that's really beautiful, Bernie. Look at that.
Yes, it is.
Very good job. Lane, I'll let you continue doing the, all right. We'll plug that thing back in there. There you are.
Oh, maybe I like the other way.
So this calls for reduced fat, sharp cheddar cheese, and to grate over top of the classic batter bowl. And we're going to add 1 cup of plain yogurt. I'm not sure.
Can you use the Greek yogurt if you have Greek?
Yes, I have Greek. It's a little bit more healthy. Okay, we have 3 different sizes to our silicone bowls.
Oh,
We have a 3, a 1, and a 2. And so I'm going to have Bernie come back up.
let me do the other one.
Yes. So you stick this in here. And I'm going to get you the skinny scraper, Bernie, so that you can scrape out that. Oh. And let's see if I have that tiny one. No. There's a teeny tiny one. But we're going to use that scraper because that's what we have on hand.
Sorry. No, you're fine.
2 things at once. That's what we got going on right now.
Mom, it's messed up.
Let's see if that is about a cup.
Why does that keep happening? I thought it was doing it.
No, that tells you when it's done, when you feel that.
But there's still a little.
Okay.
Should I try to do that?
We could try to do that, or we could just slice it.
We
Yeah,
need
let's
just a
slice it.
little bit more.
Okay, so we're going to go with that. This is what you're not supposed to do. And can you tell me why, Elena?
Cut your fingers.
But it's just so much easier.
Mom, you cut yourself all the time. You don't need to be doing that.
That's exactly right. That's great advice. Some things that we hear out of the mouths of babes,
What?
out of the mouths of babes are so true. I'm just going to quarter this. Doesn't our cheese look much better, finer, and greater
Yeah.
instead of just halfway done?
Yeah.
It'll melt so much quicker and easier. Do you know why you don't buy the bags of shredded cheese in the store?
They have cellulose.
Cellulose. Very good, Bernie. You're so smart. I couldn't even remember what it was called, but it's like a powder that goes around. It feels weird. It doesn't feel like this. Now this is called a
Garlic press.
Garlic press. I have already got the skin off of my garlic, but if you need something to get your skin off, you just put it in there and do like so, and it comes right on off. You can also do that on baby shallots, which is like part of an onion. And I'm going to let Elena do the press.
I need to do it.
Go ahead.
Is that how you fix it? Oh.
Yeah, that's it. And then do one more. And then you take this knife, because I don't have the little cleaning brush that goes with it, and you cut straight down.
Maybe I should, how should I?
Yep.
Switch hands.
Switch hands. That's good.
Doing a great job.
Okay.
All right. So then, after we have that, we have to add our plain yogurt.
Okay.
That
To the
was
mix.
almost a cup.
Almost a cup of Greek yogurt. So we have our garlic in there, our yogurt. All right, give it a good swirl around. Mix it, yes. I'm reading the instructions. I feel like I'm missing something.
Something's going on with your phone.
Yeah, is it
It
there?
won't stop, and it won't zoom in or zoom out.
Is it where?
Okay.
And we're back. This is cooked for 17 minutes. It's set for 5, and now I'm stirring it.
Very good. And then
I think we're going to add the cheese next. She hasn't told me yet.
you
This
wanna
is my first time making it.
grab that batter bowl over there.
And then just mix it in
Yes, ma'am.
with our scraper. That'll get all of it.
We love our scrapers.
And it's good to get mayonnaise out of the jar. Last little bit of spaghetti. Put that over here. Put water in it.
Yes, that is a chef's hack. What you do is you make sure you have soapy sink water when you put all your utensils in it as you go. Makes for easy cleanup.
Because we're all about time saving and work smarter, not harder.
That's right.
And that's what I'm trying to learn. Learn to work smarter.
If it's still too hot, use our micro mitt.
No, actually,
It's cooled down pretty good.
yeah. Now this is our first time making this.
I bet it's going to be delicious.
But you can take a bag of cauliflower, steam it, and then boil you one potato and make you mashed potatoes, and it's healthier. Oh, that's looking good. So that's looking like mac and cheese.
I like baked mac and cheese, so I think what I'll do is grab a grater and put some cheese on top, and we'll put that back in the microwave uncovered for about 4 minutes. What do you think? Let's try it.
Sounds good.
All these eyes.
This will get her out of her shiny.
I'm recording.
Our dish is almost ready.
Lainey, you want to check it? We had put it back in there for 4 minutes, and now you're just going to get it out and see if it's done.
See, you can't grab it with
Yep, just grab the tips.
Oh gosh, it's kind of heavy.
It's very heavy. Good
Okay.
job. Open that up. Let us see how yummy.
Let's take these off.
Yeah, nope. Now you use the micro. Now you can use
Micro.
it. Yep.
Oh, the tiny ones.
Very good.
Okay.
That looks absolutely to die for. Okay, get the serving spoon. Yes. And
Do I
go.
mix it?
Nope, you don't mix it. Take a corner and go all the way to the bottom. And scoop all the way to the top. Very good.
Oh, that looks yummy.
That looks yummy.
Put it right there.
Very nice.
Ready to put the lid back on?
And go ahead and put the lid back on so we'll continue to make plates and we'll have prayer and we'll have a bite to eat. Thank you.
Oh, it's really, hold on, it's really hot. It didn't stop.
I really like the cheese.
Cauliflower isn't my favorite, but it really adds good flavor to this mac and cheese. For a picky eater, I'm almost finished with my plate.